Hello, my name is Mark Winder, Fabrication and Fixed Plant Manager at Recycling Lives in Preston. Been with the company 9 years. We're expanding the business and looking for conveyor solutions. Contacted Barry Thompson, who came down to site to us a visit, left us a load of literature and information about your conveyors, and it's gone on from there. A 9-year partnership sort of thing. The experience with Barry is brilliant. He can't do enough for you. The general experience with Coveya is brilliant. If I place an order, it comes next day. So everything's always in stock. We've probably got 30 plus Coveya conveyors, which give us no issues. The other advantage with Conveyor is that if we need to disassemble a piece of plant, we can take the conveyor out, put it into storage, and we can pull it apart. We can alter our own lengths. The modular system, so we can adapt it to our next need. So if I buy a conveyor and they find in a year's time we've took out a service, I can use that then on the next project because it's modular. We can adapt it to suit. I'm happy with dealing conveyor. Yeah. If I need a conveyor, I ring Barry. Brilliant service.